Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Chrome redirect virus from your Google Chrome browser. So first of all, you just have to go to your Chrome browser. So to remove the redirect virus, you have to go to the three dot menu here and click on settings. After opening the settings, you have to scroll down to the bottom here and you can see there's an option called advanced in the end here. Click on advanced option and then you just have to scroll down to find reset settings or restore settings, and you can see there's an option called reset and cleanup. So choose the option restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it and this will reset your startup page, new tab page, engine, pin tab page, and also disable extension and temporary data like cookies. And bookmarks history and save password will not be cleared, so it will reset your Google Chrome, and it can also remove the redirect virus from your Google Chrome. So just click on reset settings, then you just have to close your Google Chrome browser, then relaunch your Google Chrome browser and it will remove all the redirect virus from Google Chrome. So that's it guys, this is a very and easy simple tutorial. Hope you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.